Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we are at Seaworld Orlando. We're gonna go have some fun. We want to show you the brand new Icebreaker Rollercoaster, and I think they have a little preview of a snack for the Seven Seas Festival. Let's go check it out. So guys, check this awesome calendar out here at SeaWorld 2022. It's got all the different events going on. This one is the next one coming up. I was just talking about this. I believe today, for pass holders, there is a sample that we can try. You do have to pay for it. I think it's some kind of an iced tea. So that one's going there. And then you can see all the different ones. Hollow Scream I'd like to get to this year. That starts in September. The Christmas celebration here is awesome. They also have a Halloween, and then they have a craft beer special. So let's go, and we want to get over towards the Icebreaker, and let's go check that out. Guys, here's a really good look at the Icebreaker. You can see it goes right up there. Looks like it stops, and then it's going to go backwards through there, and it actually looks like it goes behind the SeaWorld Seven Seas arena a little bit there. And actually today, just to be specific, is a pass holder preview, and we are pass holders. And just a little information for you guys: if you're looking for an affordable theme park annual pass, SeaWorld has many options. Matter of fact, I believe we pay about $15 a month for our passes, and we have no blackout dates. We have free parking, which includes preferred parking, and we can come whenever we want. And we also have a discount. Lots of different tiers. We don't have the highest tier. We're down a couple tiers, but we get all excellent benefits here. So take a look at that website. And guys, I do recommend, if you're looking for an affordable annual pass and you just want to kind of hang out in the parks, SeaWorld has many options. Guys, we're coming up to the entrance here. As I said, pass member preview days, and today is February 1st through 6th, and we are a gold pass member. So we're gonna go on. I should say Roberta's gonna go on. We're hoping that she can film this, but it's really coolly themed. Let's let her ride. We'll show you some bits and pieces. We'll try to get actually a whole POV for you guys.
Once seated, pull the comfort collar over your head and down onto the lap harness. When that's in place, buckle the comfort collar. Your lap harness must be in a properly closed position and close to your body. Ensure your legs are between the view bar and feet bars. And get ready to break the ice.
We put our head back.
Welcome back. Please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar. Lift the harness and set carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld.
Hope I've been on rock and roller coaster. Shouldn't be too bad.
Whoa!
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
Oh my god.
And keep your back and head against the seat at headrest.
That was so intense.
Okay, guys, I did not ride this, but Roberta and Jake did.
That was awesome. That was just awesome.
Jake just is saying it's so awesome.
Yeah.
Roberta.
At the first, on one of the first parts, it's like there's like before a drop, you almost reach the top, but you don't. You just go back down.
You back down again.
And Roberta, what'd you think?
It's smooth. It's very smooth. It's awesome.
Yeah, that's
It's-
smooth.
Wow, it sounds
it's
really cool.
and it's smooth. There's not like the old like roller coaster style. It's very smooth. It's awesome.
So
It's
what do you guys think? Definitely worth coming and
Oh
riding?
yeah, definitely.
Yes,
Jake, where's the
definitely.
score?
I'll give that a 9.
A 9. I agree. It's a 9.
It's a 9,
It's
huh?
a 9.
It's a 9?
Yeah.
So Icebreaker is looking good, and I just want to let you know, during this pass holder preview, Roberta and Jake walked right on. You could just keep going around and around as many times as you want. There's nobody here today, so if you want to ride this, I suggest come down for the pass holder preview if you still have a chance. But the Icebreaker, definitely highly recommended from Roberta and Jake.
Yes.
And I hope you guys, Roberta did the POV. I hope that you enjoyed that POV. All right, we're off to check out the 7 Seas pass holder menu item for today.
Yeah.
The preview, right,
Just
Roberta?
one. Yeah, it's
just
one.
one. I think it's a drink.
Yeah.
But anyway, we can show you the lounge as well.
Yeah.
Let's go check that out. And they do have some Icebreaker merch here, everybody. So when you come off the ride, get your Oh, I like this bottle here. I like these. Let's see how much that is. $20. And then, of course, if you have the annual pass, depending on the tier of your pass, you'll get a discount on that. It's a nice sun. This one's for the sun, guys. Long sleeve, lightweight, very good Florida shirt. And little tumbler. These are cool. That one is 15. Not too bad. I will go on record and say not too bad. And then, of course, I believe these are the refillable options you can get. Very nice. Here is an example. Actually, this is official. So you can buy one. It's a 15 item package. It's $80. So save up to 50%. You can choose any 15 food, craft, brew, wine, or specialty drink samples. And then they also have a 10 item package for $65. Definitely, this is worth it to me. You get 5 more for only 15. And I think between Roberta, Jake, and I, that could last us probably 1 or 2 times here at least, and we'll be able to enjoy a lot of different samples. So I think we definitely will be back to vlog when this does become official here, the festival, and we'll show you a lot of the different things we're going to try and show you how it all works. So if you're actually on a website and you see something you want or you like, send me a comment, send me an email. All of our social media is in the description of this video. We will go and try it and let you know how good it is. Anyway, we're getting close to the pass holder lounge, so we can sample something. Like I said, I believe it is an iced tea today, a passion fruit iced tea. Not sure, but we'll find out in about vlog time, 2 seconds. Right inside the Waterway Grill, that's where you'll find the pass holders lounge. Now, I'm gonna be honest, it does have designated hours, but it seems a lot of times it's closed, even when, you know, it says it should be open. I'm hoping that's not going on today. Probably due to short staff issues. But we're gonna head in and try it out. So here's a pass member lounge. Just as you walk in here, guys, you're just gonna kind of walk straight through. To the left, some food options, and then you're in. What they do is they usually just scan your pass, and then you can go inside here. So we are now inside the pass holder lounge, and you guys can see this is the sample today for the pass holders, and it is the passion fruit iced tea.
passion fruit iced tea. Thank you
And
so much.
Tammy, thank you very much.
Tammy, enjoy. Thank you.
So, and then just to show you guys kind of what it looks like, it's really nothing fancy. But the nice thing is, you can come in here and grab a complimentary little cup of soda. Coca-Cola product. First of all, there is a light here that is like blinking crazily, so it is not my camera this time. But here is the passion fruit iced tea. Let's have a try.
You gonna leave something for me around there?
If you like passion fruit, not much. It's. I would say they're calling it a passion fruit iced tea. I think it tastes more like a passion fruit juice. I'm not tasting much tea in it. It is really good though, but I'll give it a 7. I'll give it a 7. Before we leave, guys, just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of some of the Icebreaker pre-party area here. So they're going to be doing some partying here. The speakers are up. There'll be a DJ up there playing some music, and it's really cool out here in the front. Very nicely themed. Here's your general queue and your quick queue where you'll be going in. And again, officially opening the 18th. This is for the pass holder preview. I think I'll end with you guys being able to, I know in a distance watching that Icebreaker from this perspective, but I want to thank everybody for watching Medling World today. Please take a moment and subscribe if you enjoyed this vlog. And last but not least, see ya!